God. I forgot the keys. Shit. I have to go back. Shit. God. I forgot my keys. Got it. Oh shit.
Hello.
Hey, my neighbor. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
It's been a while.
You
Hey,
too,
after the salad, I didn't see you again.
You too. I didn't see you again.
Hey.
After the salad, after you correct my meat, I don't see you again.
You and this your meat issue.
Baba. You
Baba.
corrected my meat on a
Baba,
condition.
you kill me. So small salad meat, you won't take am. You
You
won't take chop am.
And now you see this word. Now this
Baba,
word.
ya men yes sir.
Now this word. Hands go, hands come.
It's salad meat into no be woman. Hey, Baba. Baba.
Salad meat.
Baba. Be so woman yes. My own question on na ye
Beautiful girl like you.
Oh, you know really too. Young question. And say inside how they are now be kumi. Young question.
Who you got to get?
Yeah, girl. Anyway, when you high, you make Baba. Baba, me ready for me keys so. Nka ye dem horon.
Sorry, you forgot your keys.
I forgot my keys. So, since you want me to give you your this thing.
Yes.
Your this thing. Then let's go. So that I will do it for you.
Hey, my buddy.
Baba.
You they see what I they see.
Oh, Baba.
My body, you they see what I they see.
Baba. Baba.
Hey.
Baba, small salad meat you want? Baba, small salad. Baba.
Talk we say if it's
Small salad meat you want? Hey, Baba, small salad meat you want shop? You want?
you don't talk say if it's small salad meat,
Small salad meat. Baba, do am fast though. Come,
I should do am,
Which of the styles do you want? I beg come and start.
Which style you won't give me?
Me, I won't give you this one though, Baba.
No!
Baba, this one, no. This one, Baba.
No.
Oh, Baba.
I don't like this one.
Which one do you like now, Baba?
I like this one. This one.
Oh, Baba, this one there is simple, though. So now
If it's
you
simple,
like them.
so you give me
I'll
simple.
give you Toto.
Oh!
Baba,
No.
hurry.
I don't like this one.
Baba, which one again?
I don't like this one.
Which one? Wait, you want me?
Like I said I want this one.
This one.
This one. You dey give me different thing. You dey give me different thing.
Baba, now
Give
you worry you.
me the original style.
Okay.
I don't like this one.
Baba,
I don't like it.
which one now?
I
Show me, make
said,
see.
give me this style. This style. Come on,
Don't
this style.
worry.
You don't even know
Baba, this one be your last one, no.
You don't
I
know
do this stuff. If you no come do am, I'll just leave you. Nah.
Don't say that, but you.
Baba, you dey waste time.
I don't waste
Come
time.
come enter.
I won't waste time.
Hurry up,
I
me
don't waste time.
But see, I'm return. Baba, they wait.
So if you walk, you know wear pants.
So you dey talk. So I know they wear pants. Why everybody here say?
Why you walk say you know
they wear pants.
Why you walk you know wear pants?
Baba.
As a beautiful girl like you walk you know wear pants. Why?
Baba, you dey disgrace me.
I no disgrace you, but you no disgrace me.
Because of salary, you won't take disgrace me.
No, I won't take disgrace.
Wait, they disgrace me say I dey work, I know they wear pants, Baba.
Why you know
Why I know they wear pants? It be your problem.
It be my problem. Say you know wear pants.
If you want chop, make I go.
Why
you won't know if I go wear pants or not. I dey wear pants. Your problem.
Give me 5 important reasons why you know wear pants.
I know I'll give you any 5 important reasons. Even say if I won't give you 5 important reasons. I will give you only one because
reason.
I want air pass there. I want air pass here. I want air enter. That's why I don't go do it.
So when I enter, you go say, now so you want
Now so, by myself, I no go do. I no go do again.
You do.
I no go do.
Okay, give me my salad meat if you know do.
Salad meat where I chop where I shit am. Hey.
You shit am. Go
shit.
to the shit and bring back my
I no
meat.
go do. Baba, you no go chop me.
My friend, don't do that.
You no go chop.
Give me my salad meat.
Baba, me say me kola me o ha ma adwene. Mama kwan.
Wetin you talk?
Baba me nemu nyina ya style bi e bi ama o. Wo am be so be wo me.
Style no wudi ma me no style na wudi ma me no me pe. Me best star. I should so mommy.
I mean you.
Who be ye? Ft.Gynel. Sure. So this girl dey waka, this all compound, you know well pants. I go shout. Everybody come see you. This